Hello, I'm Craig from Bridgestone, and in this video we'll be covering why you should always fit new tyres in a minimum of axle pairs. Ideally, to maintain the best performance of the vehicle, all four should be replaced at the same time. The car has had a new tyre fitted to the front left with all other tyres worn. When travelling in an anti-clockwise direction at the limit of grip, the car can begin to slip. However, the forces are fairly low and the driver is able to correct the slide. When travelling clockwise, as you would navigating a roundabout in the UK, the rear of the vehicle greatly struggles for predictable grip, causing the car to slide out aggressively. In this situation, the driver is likely to overcorrect as the grippier front left tyre quickly changes the direction of travel and causes the car to slide. The car has become unpredictable due to the asymmetric grip levels, negatively affecting the vehicle performance and safety of the occupants. The effects are not felt just in cornering, but also when coming to a stop in a straight line. Different grip levels left to right can result in the car drifting or veering to one side when the brakes are applied. The effect can be further amplified where different tyre brands or patterns are fitted across the same axle. It is for this reason Bridgestone always recommends changing your tyres in axle pairs.